Hello, welcome to this week's KitPlus TV News, supported by OpenGear, the industry standard platform of choice for modular signal processing.
And we'll start with two bits of news from us. Firstly, on the 7th of June, we have another KitPlus auction featuring radio mic kits, ARRI Ultra Primes, cameras, lighting, a TriCaster 2 Elite with 4-stripe panel, Internet Direct receivers and router, an OB truck, an LED video wall, and loads more. Check it out at kitplus.com/auctions.
Yeah, there's a couple of hundred lots, isn't there, I think?
Yeah, it's good.
Lots going on, check that out. Yeah. And of course, secondly, we're looking forward to the first KitPlus show of the year, and we're going to be at Media City, Salford, our regular home in the north, and that's on the 22nd of June. Registration's open, and of course it's free of charge to attend. We've got a few exhibitors to add to the website, as well as the seminar sessions we'll be running throughout the day, so do check out kitplus.com/show for all the details and updates.
First up with the news though, this week ATG Danmon have reported on the completion of a video production facility for the 181 Piccadilly headquarters of Fortnum Mason, one of Britain's longest established retail stores. The new system includes a food and drink studio plus a dedicated control room. Created as a multi-purpose resource on the store's 3rd floor, the studio incorporates a kitchen with remotely controlled cameras and adjustable lighting.
LiveU are providing the IP bonding technology and cloud-based services to TVE to improve its content gathering capability and product efficiency. The broadcaster has acquired a large number of units to be based in domestic and international capital cities around the world, including multi-camera LU800s, compact LU300Ss and LU smart mobile applications, along with multiple instances of LiveU ingest for automatic recording and metadata tagging of stories.
Calrec's configurable Argo audio control surfaces have won the 2023 NAB Show Product of the Year awards. Argo is a modular audio mixing control service that features a flexible control philosophy which separates processing and control, breaking the traditional geographic dependency between them. Its fully modular design includes interchangeable and configurable hardware panels that interact with Calrec's Assist UI, allowing users to switch between physical hardware panels and a remote GUI with ease. Check out our NAB playlist for the interview we did with them recently, or just go to kitplus.com and search for Argo.
And now let's head over to Mr. MXF, who this week takes a look at media files.
GB Labs to bring their unified file system to broadcast Asia, read the headline. But what does unified mean, and well, why would you want it? So starting with the basics, nearly every media project from production to consumption relies on a collection of media files that are all related to each other. Now, when these projects are used on different systems, the file paths to find those files can be represented in one of 3 different ways. An absolute path, like this one, tells the Windows, Mac or Linux system the absolute path to the location of that asset. And if I move my project to a subfolder because I like a tidy file system, then none of the components can find each other because they've all changed their absolute file positions. A relative path means that the components are accessed with a path relative to their friends. So if I move the whole project to a subfolder, it should have no impact, except many bits of software on their insides, they actually use absolute paths, and there's nothing that you, the humble user, can do about it. Now, object keys is the 3rd approach, where the HTTP path to your file identifies the file regardless of whether it's stored in Australia or London or Singapore. Unfortunately, not all systems support native object store, and some systems never will for good technical reasons. So GB Labs Unifying Store uses some software magic to ensure that whether you're working at home in your laptop or in an edit suite or on location or on a train, then all of your apps will just work because the path resolution works at that very, very low block level that fools the operating system into thinking that you're actually on site with your laptop sitting in small conference room B with a stain on the carpet when actually you're basking in the sunshine on a glorious beach in colour coats. Nice job, GB Labs. I love a bit of software magic.
Great explanation as always, and we hope, of course, Broadcast Asia goes well for GB Labs with their unified file system.
And on the subject of Broadcast Asia, the show runs from Wednesday, June 7th through Friday, June 9th. And Clear-Com will showcase a broad range of intercom applications on stand 6F105. including innovative new product features of their flagship Eclipse HX digital matrix intercom systems, such as Dynamic or Dynamic EC, we'll find out how to say that properly in future, real-time production software, IP-based V-Series IrisX user panels, and industry-leading role-based workflows. Additionally, Clear-Com will highlight their award-winning IP-based Arcadia central station with HelixNet integration.
Also at the show are Leader Electronics, with the first appearance of option SER33 for the LV5600 and LV7600 waveform monitors and rasterizers. Each provides support for JPEG XS compressed signals up to 4K, allowing JPEG XS channel integrity to be checked during pre-transmission lineup and live operation.
And another at Broadcast Asia is PlayBox Neo, who will demonstrate its complete range of over-the-air and online channel management systems, software and cloud-based services. Among new advances making their APAC market debut will be Media Gateway, which reduces or potentially eliminates the capital cost of hardware, routers, codecs and related devices, plus the latest generation TS time delay, which gives broadcast channel managers precise control over program playout to multiple time zones.
Back to non-show news now, and Blackmagic Design have announced EWTN Hungary has partnered with reseller media networks to deploy a broadcast workflow around Blackmagic URSA Broadcast G2 cameras and ATEM 1ME Constellation HD live production switcher to address the network's evolving production needs. The EWTN Global Catholic Network has become one of the world's most extensive religious media networks and have deployed 6 URSA Broadcast G2s along with the Blackmagic URSA viewfinder and Canon B4 zoom lenses across 2 sets for studio acquisition.
Mware TV has formed a partnership with Pico TV to offer a complete cloud-hosted service to deliver and manage a rich live TV channel offering available across multiple end-user devices. Pico TV offers a wide range of software solutions for key streaming requirements, and Mware TV has a proven and successful turnkey managed IPTV service. The partnership provides a complete end-to-end solution which runs entirely in the cloud, so minimises startup costs and ensures OPEX is tied directly to revenues.
Viacom18, part of Network 18 Group, has deployed Nevion's contribution solution for live coverage of the hugely popular TATA Indian Premier League, the IPL of cricket. Viacom18 picked the Nevion solution that is fully redundant and offers hitless transport as per standard SUMPT 2022-7 to ensure signals are carried without interruption between locations. The solution is based on the software-defined Media Node Virtuosa and the media orchestration platform Video iPath, both key building blocks of Sony's networked live offering.
Pebble has been engaged to design, supply and build its playout solutions for a new head-end facility for leading Saudi digital entertainment company Integral. The facility will combine Pebble automation, integrated channel and Pebble remote for multi-channel ingest, content management and playout.
Red Digital Cinema has revealed its Komodo X camera, the newest addition to the Red's popular Komodo line of small form factor 6K global shutter sensor cameras for cinema. Komodo X builds on the original Komodo, multiplying frame rates and advancing dynamic range performance while expanding on the versatility of Komodo.
ERA has announced a long-term strategic partnership with TDL. The partnership will enable ERA to deliver media supply chain and workflow automation services via TDL's no-code media integration platform, SmartWork, along with extensive media asset management capabilities via Evolution. By combining ERA cloud hosting, storage and infrastructure services with TDL's SmartWork and Evolution platforms, an all-encompassing managed service in the media services sector is now available to ERA's worldwide customer base.
And the final of the 2023 Eurovision Song Contest took place in Liverpool on May the 13th and attracted a worldwide television audience of over 160 million people. Throughout the week-long extravaganza, music for all of the televised live shows and rehearsals was mixed on the Mixbus, a music and audio outside broadcast facility that now incorporates an ever Studer Vista X console.
Digital Kinetics has become one of the first studios in the world to deploy Vicon's world-leading Valkyrie cameras in combination with Vicon's proven Shogun software platform. Delivered with GPEM, a combination of Valkyrie and Shogun, has enabled the creation of a world-leading motion capture stage in Digital Kinetics Zagreb based, boasting 300 square meters of studio space and fully equipped with 24 Vicon Valkyrie 26 megapixel cameras to ensure the highest quality capturing results for its growing client base across the gaming and film industries.
And the latest version of Subtitle Next from Profuz Digital has new groundbreaking vertical video and text capabilities on the platform that produces accurate and fast subtitling and captioning results in real time and offline across all media formats. Its new vertical writing accommodates East Asian languages such as Chinese, Korean and Japanese, and offers comprehensive support of vertical text in every possible direction, along with all the attributes contained within every single language that exists on Earth. There you go.
Very good. XL8 Inc. is driving the next generation of localization and translation with the release of Project's version 2.0 of its MediaCat platform. The MediaCat platform is based on three main AI-based activities: speech-to-text transcription, otherwise known as sync, machine translation, which is translate, and synthesized voice, dub, with each representing an important step in the process of creating localized media content. Professional linguists can also post-edit the results within the subtitle editor to achieve greater accuracy.
Veset has announced that Veset Nimbus is now available in AWS Marketplace. Veset Nimbus is an enterprise-grade cloud playout solution for advanced channel origination and management. AWS customers can access the cloud-based solution to quickly and easily create linear OTT or fast channels.
Arcitecta and Spectra Logic has announced that they have teamed up to deliver two groundbreaking solutions that simplify data lifecycle management and accelerate performance, speed, innovation and business success. The Arcitecta MediaFlux and Spectra Black Pearl NAS solution provides high-performance scale-out NAS, and the Arcitecta MediaFlux and Spectra Blackout Pearl object storage solution provides archive economics, high availability, enterprise-grade data protection and massive cost savings.
Windmill Lane has installed a new FLUX Store 360 and upgraded its existing pair of FilmLight Baselight TWO systems, allowing it to keep up to date with new technologies and workflows while improving the colour team's connectivity, speed and performance. Windmill Lane, which has been operating on Baselight for 14 years, has been looking to future-proof the colour department and update their network for some time. And the Baselight 2 upgrade and new FLUX Store have provided immediate workflow benefits as well as the option to further expand in the future.
And finally this week, Wooden Camera has announced the new Ultra Handle system, which is available to order now. Includes a multitude of 3/8 16 and 1/4 inch 20 mounting points throughout, and comprises 1 inch, 3 inch, 5 inch modules, as well as a right angle Hollywood handle extension.
So that's it for the news this week. Do check out the next KitPlus auction, which you mentioned earlier on. That's on the 7th of June. Just Google KitPlus auctions and you'll see all the lots there. And if you're in the north of the UK on the 22nd of June and you want to get up close to some brand new kit, then check out kitplus.com/show. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.